All right, I'm excited to show you guys this house. This thing is in the brand new gated community of Parkplace, which is right across from Windsong Ranch. This thing is brand new, exclusive first look at one of the houses, and this is by Shattuck. This is over 4,700 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, half bath, media. Love the 2-story design, open layout, stairs with the railings just flowing over. I don't know, there's something about it I really love. Especially if you come over here, Patrice, look at like just this whole thing, take this whole thing in. You know, there's just, the staircases all over the place. You've got a office that is kind of in that second sort of mid-level. Yeah, it's just really wide. This is a brand new floor plan. This is really, really nice. Love the entryway, just the feel of it. And my favorite part, no plant shelf. Where do we want to start? Let's start over here. Let's go down, and there's a huge secondary bedroom down here that I want to show you. It's like an own ensuite. These are real hardwood floors, by the way. These are lifetime floors. You could tell when you step down, you have to actually step down a couple inches just to get to the carpeted area. But look at this room. This thing is big. This thing is like 14 by 13 kind of deal. I mean, it's a big space. You've got a walk-in closet. And then in this one, you have your own ensuite with just a shower. Now, like I said, this is in Parkplace. This is a brand new community. This is the first house we've toured in this community. And I'm excited. You've got people like Shattuck, who we're in right now. You've got Grand Homes, and then Partners in Building are in here. So lots of options, lots of cool designs. Looking forward to seeing it. Look at here, Patrice. You've got this wet bar.
This is really, really neat. I like the way they've done that little arch with the floating shelves. It's really pretty.
Yeah, what I love about it is its location. So right behind this wall is the media room. So it services not only the media room, but it's multifunctional. You've got right here where you're overlooking the family area. So it's all in the right spots. All the places that you're gonna be entertaining, this is servicing. If you come through here, here's that media room that we were talking about. Now you'd have to put in some blackout shades, but they've already got it wired for the surround sound and all that good stuff. So it's ready to go. You've got a audio video equipment closet right here. Now, what's nice about this is that you are on 80-foot wide product. So pretty good, substantial lots for the most part. You know, obviously you're gonna have your choice of bigger cul-de-sac lots. So timing is now. If you wanna get into this, definitely hit that dream home form below. Let's get you started on the conversation, because this is the type of community that goes pretty quickly. Look at this, take this in. Look, I love the high ceilings, just screaming for some beams, right? And then you've got this fireplace centered straight in the middle of the room, tiles going all the way up. It's just a really cool design. I love the sliders, and they're all white. You notice that it's all white. Maybe we're getting away from that black slider. I don't know. At least we are in this house. Here you go with the island. I would say this is a good 3-butt island, 3 comfortable butt island. You got KitchenAid appliance package. You know, you got your drawers, everything that you would expect. Double ovens. What do you think of the overall kitchen? It's white on white, basically.
I was gonna say it's very white, so I would definitely want a little bit of color in here, that's for sure. But I do like how many cabinets are in here. I like that the island has that look of a piece of furniture. I think that's pretty.
Yeah.
I love double ovens, but one thing I do love about this house is a snack closet.
Oh,
Have you even seen?
no. Oh.
So you've got this big old section here with all the shelves.
Uh-huh.
And then you can go in and come around.
Holy
Look
cow,
at all
yeah.
this space you
That's
have.
perfect for like those big things of paper towels and all that stuff that you get at Costco. So right over here is your utility room, laundry area. I don't see really a spot for your fridge, but it's not the end of the world. Let's see, oh, you got a little deep linen closet. All right, let's see, look at this dining space. I love all the windows. Yeah, I just love that space. Now this is backing up to, this is Championship Drive. Right here is Winsong Ranch. So when I say it's right across the street, it's right across the street. So that's Championship Drive. If you just take that down, 1.5 miles, 2 miles, you're gonna run into the PGA. So location, location, location. This has got all of it. Let's go over here. You've got a half bath, and what I love about this is that it does have door access, direct access to the backyard. So if you wanted to put a pool in or whatnot, you have that capability to turn that into kind of your guest bath, or pool bath, I should say. Now let's go into the primary. Now, notice they didn't do like a bump out. They have the TV and stuff for over there, but I love the high ceilings. And notice we don't have any lights on in this room, and you still have all that light coming in. It's pretty nice. Then we go into the ensuite. You got split vanities. You got a nice big soaking tub, good sized shower. This is laid out really well. It feels very nice. You've got the chevron pattern tile that they laid down. You've got 2 closets. You've got this one, is the smaller of the 2. So I imagine I'd get stuck with that. You got nice built-ins, and then you've got, well, I guess this closet's not overly big. So this is nice. Let's go upstairs and take a look at that. All right, first step is 2 steps up and you're into your office. What I love about this is look how high the ceilings are. 2-story office. You got your doors, close that off. Front of the house, you can see everything that's going on in your neighborhood. This is a really cool space to get some work done. It just makes it feel like you're, I don't know, you close it off and you're not at work anymore for some reason, if you have to go down some stairs or whatnot. Now we have a game area. Now this is my first time up here. You're seeing it the way I'm seeing it right now for the first time. And look at this, is good size game area. 47 plus square feet. All right, so up here you have the bathroom. Not only does that support for your guests to use, but it also has a door right here. So this bedroom can use it as well and have direct access. But again, big oversized room, nice closet. When you factor in the location and everything, these rooms are almost too big if you have adult aged children. They're not gonna wanna leave, which could be good or bad. I don't know, you guys tell me. All right, so then you've got 2 bedrooms over here. This is a little bit smaller, but still like an oversized regular room, I would say. You've got a walk-in closet, and then you've got its own private bathroom with a tub. You got linen closet, another linen closet, and then, oh my heart, look how big this room is. This is a huge room. Look at, you got chevron tiled in the bathroom, and you've got a bathtub and a walk-in shower. This is nice. So there you have it, guys. Here it is, Parkplace. Like I said, brand new gated community inside of Prosper, Texas. If this is of interest to you, you want to see different houses and all that good stuff, comment below, give us a thumbs up. Let us know if this is something that you want to see more of. And if you are interested in this house or anything in North Dallas in the 2026, hit that dream home form. Let's get you started on your journey for your dream home right here in North Texas. Until the next time, I'm Andy. Take care.
All right, if you've made it this far, you're definitely our kind of people. So let's make this easy. If you're planning a move to North Texas, click that dream home form below and tell us what you're looking for. We tour these homes every single day, and we'd love to help you get it right.